Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share a Google Maps location using a QR code. This is a very useful trick if you want people to scan a code and instantly open a location on their phone. Let's get started. Open the Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar and type Google Maps to open. Next, tap on the search bar and type the name or address of the place you want to share. Once the correct location appears, tap on it. Now look at the Options panel at the bottom and swipe until you find the Share option. Tap on Share, and from the options choose Copy Link. This will copy the Google Maps location link to your clipboard. Next, open any browser like Safari or Google Chrome. In the search bar, type QR code generator and open any trusted website. And once the website opens, you will see a box where you can enter a link. Simply paste the Google Maps link that you copied earlier. The website will instantly create a QR code for that location. Some websites also allow you to customize the QR code with colors or styles if you want. After that, click on the Download button and choose the image format you prefer. Once downloaded, you can save the image to your phone and share it through messaging apps, email, or social media. And that's it. Now anyone can simply scan the QR code to open the exact location in Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.